Welcome to the Dowden Podcast. I'm your host, the official CRG, and today I want to talk about Elon Musk's company Neuralink and their new device, the Link, plus the potential benefits it could bring for disabled people across the world. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. That way you don't miss any weekly episodes and posts. You can find video of this episode strictly on YouTube, but the audio everywhere else. But to get right into it, Neuralink, the creators of the Link, was founded by Elon Musk and 7 other scientists in 2016 with a mission to create a brain-computer interface to help individuals interact with technology with just their minds. And recently, Elon announced in January of 2024 that they have successfully developed and implanted the very first brain chip into a human, and it has positive results, having this individual be able to play chess with just his mind and interact with the mouse and keyboard with just his thoughts. But when it comes to the actual brain chip itself, the Link is about the same size of a quarter, using very flexible threads and equipped with 1,024 electrodes that record the activity of the neurons in your brain. Also, for people who don't know what neurons do, neurons are nerve cells send messages all over the body that basically help overall function. So what Elon decided to do was target that specific part of the brain because that part controls our movement, our sensory inputs, and transforms and relays electrical signals throughout the body. But if this does work, which the first patient is showing massive progress, Neuralink aims to help individuals with severe paralysis and aims to restore personal contact over limbs, prosthetics, or communication devices. Now, yes, that would be amazing to do all of that, and the progress they have made is groundbreaking. But with a device like this, you can't deny that there are going to be some negatives. For example, if the brain chip is misplaced during surgery, it can cause brain injury or infections. There is not a lot of research on the long-term effects of these BCIs. It can be very expensive to repair or remove these brain chips, and they are in very sensitive areas. And since this is technology, there is always the risk of abuse from others that want to control or steal information. Also, when it comes to the brain chip, Elon wants to find a way to connect humans with AI, having us control technology with just our minds. And I really don't agree with that because, yes, the brain chip itself is amazing, and I genuinely believe it can help people with specific disabilities. But to connect humans with AI is a bridge I think we shouldn't cross because I've said this before, but technology is not going to slow down. It is only going to get stronger and smarter, and you don't want that in certain AI. But with that said, today's quote is by Chip Heath. He once said, "Your brain hosts a truly staggering number of loops. The more hooks an idea has, the better it will cling to memory." I appreciate you tuning in. You can follow us on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. And this is the Dowden Podcasts.